Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make iced tea with Nestea. Start by boiling 4 cups of water and dissolve 2 tablespoons of Nestea mix, stirring until fully combined. Add 4 cups of cold water, sweeten with simple syrup or sugar to taste, then chill for at least 1 hour. Serve over ice with lemon slices and mint for a refreshing finish everyone will enjoy. Measure your ingredients before starting to keep the process smooth and quick. You will need 4 cups of boiling water, 4 cups of cold water, 2 tablespoons of Nestea mix, and optional sugar or syrup. Have a pitcher, a long spoon, ice, and citrus on hand. Keeping everything ready saves time and makes the drink consistent, bright, and easy to adjust to your preferred sweetness. Serve chilled for best results. Combine boiling water and Nestea mix first so it dissolves fully, then add cold water to cool the concentrate quickly. If you want sweeter tea, stir in simple syrup while the tea is still warm to dissolve evenly, or add sugar and mix well. Chill the pitcher for at least 1 hour, or pop it in the fridge covered for faster cooling. Serve over plenty of ice and garnish with lemon or mint.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.